G'day and welcome to Chris Anderson Presents. On this episode today, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of the most amazing potato salads. And this potato salad can be served at any time of the year. But if I'm completely honest, if it's not at a Christmas lunch, is it even a Christmas lunch? There honestly is a rule in our household that if this potato salad is not at a function, we aren't going. So it's pretty simple and easy to make, and I'm going to show you how I assemble it. So without further ado, this is Chris Anderson Presents, a Christmas special. If you're looking for that perfect potato salad, you honestly can't walk past this one. And it's so simple to make. You only need 5 ingredients. You throw it in the fridge, let it do its thing, bring it out, and it's an absolute crowd favourite. So what do you need? Just got some potatoes here, you know, enough to fill your bowl to about that sort of level. We've got some bacon, a nice brown onion, just raw, and I've got three boiled eggs, which we will shred up in a moment, but they're just sitting in a nice little ice bath there. And of course, the hero of this dish is the Praise mayonnaise. Now, I recommend that if you are going to do a potato salad, that is the mayonnaise you buy. If you're buying something else, it's just not going to have the same flavour and the same wow factor. So, as I said, pretty easy to do. So what we need to do is I'll get the eggs now, and we'll just we'll crack them and we'll take the shell off, and then we'll just assemble it all together. So these here should peel pretty easy, as I've had them sealed. We've taken a bit of the egg out, but they should peel pretty easily, having sat in the water for a bit. I'm hoping. I think I've murdered this one. Oh, no, yeah, not the best. Goodness me! Losing half my egg. I'm going for a bit more of a butchered look. Okay, last one. Let's see if I can get this one without failing, but I feel like I already have. But if nothing, I am consistent, or persistent, sorry. Yeah, this is about the hardest part of this potato salad, is peeling the eggs. Come on, we're almost there. Bring it home. Go for glory. Perfect. Right, I'll just get rid of that little eggshell pot. Rightio, so what we need to do now is just mash up the eggs and get the yolk out as well. So, just so that we can have it to sprinkle in. And I will tell you this as well, you can use like a chopper, and I would recommend using a chopper in the kitchen than a fork, but that's all I have at the moment. What do you think of my costume? I've gone all out in this one. Bit of tinsel, party hat. But the reason for the party hat, and I will say this, the reason for the party hat is purely because this potato salad is a party potato salad. It's a whole lot of fun. And honestly, the best parties I've been to are where this potato salad is. So, okay, there we go. That's looking swell. There we are. So it should be coming together like that, nice and fluffy, yolk and whites all mixed together. Okie doke. Just do that. So essentially what we do now is we just pop these ingredients in, put a bit of mayonnaise, mix it round, set it in the fridge, and you're done. Right, so I'll chuck the eggs in. They just go on top. Make sure you get all of it out of the... Sorry, that's a really awful scratching noise. Wonderful. Throw in our onion just on top. Brilliant. Get that out. We don't like to be wasteful. And then we'll just throw our lovely bit of crispy bits of bacon in as well, into the fold. Here we go. The most important thing now is getting your mayonnaise ratio right. Now you probably will use a good lot of this mayonnaise on this potato salad. So what we do is just pull off the lid. Teeth help. Nothing like being a savage in the kitchen. Okay, potato salad, here we go. So I like to be quite generous here. So you get it and just, okay, try that to start. And you just fold it through, fold it round. Without spilling half your bowl. Okay. Yep, we're gonna need a lot more than that. That should be good, I reckon. Coming off. Look at that. Just fold that round. You've got to be careful too, because you don't want to break up your potatoes too much. You want them to still stay relatively together. I'll just put a smidge more in. It just needs a little bit more, and I think. There we are. I think that's done. Now I will just give that a little bit of a taste to make sure we're on the money. We're on the right, in the right ballpark. We're in the right avenue. Let's give that a go. Oh, god damn. And the best thing about this potato salad is that it only gets better the longer you leave it. So I recommend leaving this overnight because it really lets the flavours get all through the potato and everything. But I will just go in off the side here and just go one proper test taste. Not a thing wrong with that one. That's wonderful. That's it. As I said, super and easy, delicious, crowd favourite potato salad. You can't go wrong. So there we are. That's the episode. Thanks for joining me on Chris Anderson Presents. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. But until then, it's bye for now.